Rangers. It's like Battle Cats if you someone play that, except it's a bit different. You see here, I just unlocked the Dragon Cat earlier. I decided to make a video on this. Yeah, it's kind of like a tapping game. Except a bit funner.
I'm playing it too.
Yeah, Kevin, he got this game. It's nothing like Minecraft. You can't join worlds. And you can't even join worlds in normal Battle Cats.
Oh, it's not like a weird looking goat.
Walking up the hill. You can see where my fingers are by the electricity. Up, goose.
Oh, look at this.
The dragon attack is automatic.
I felt like a weird looking bear.
Yeah, Kevin just found a weird looking bear.
When I hit it, like his mouth was...
Remember these gorillas from normal Battle Cats? Every one of you watched my video. Chest.
It was like, yeah. When you hit it,
Chest said nothing. Oh boy.
This is taking forever to kill.
Kevin, I don't think people really want to hear you as much because they don't. Wait. In a minute.
Wait. I don't defeat it in the right time. It kicks you to
There's a tricycle.
the second one.
Level up. Do it, dragon. Sometimes I like to use my... Oh, the bear! Can't, Kevin.